Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Porsche Macan Turbo. Now of course this is a 3.6 litre V6. As you can see, you do get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, front fog lights and front parking sensors. You also get these brilliant alloy wheels as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get. So these are a 20-inch alloy, and as you can see they are complemented by the red Porsche calipers. Coming round to the rear, you also get your rear parking sensors, you get a reversing camera just below here as well. Then into the tailgate, as you can see just here, you get plenty of room. You also get this brilliant boot divider which you can push down, take out and slide for to and fro. You then also get your 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, as they do fold flat with the boot floor. You then also have the electric tailgate just here, as you can see, which will drop down nice and easily. Then coming around into the rear alloy and showing you the rear of the car. As you can see, we have got full black leather interior, Alcantara roof lining as well, just to complement the car. We've then got Isofix mounting point to the bottom, full electric windows all round, and of course this car does come with a BOSE sound system. You get your full electric driver's seat with memory function. That does also come on the passenger side. You've then also got your traction control, damper settings, so you can choose between the 3 different modes. You can have Comfort, Sport or Sport Plus. Then as you can see, we've got your Sport Plus mode, Sport mode. Your 2 heated seats are just here, off-road mode and your stop start off. Then coming up, we've got your climate control settings in the middle. So it is full dual climate control, as you can see here. So the passenger can have it on whatever viscosity they want to blow on, and then the driver can also change. Or if you want, you can just press sync and it will be the same across the board. Then coming up to the display, we've got your various sources just here. So we've got AM, FM, DAB, disc, auxiliary and Bluetooth. We've got Bluetooth hands-free, satellite navigation and many other great features. We've then also got your little clock up at the top which will tell you the time and date, as you can see on here, and it will also work as a timer. Then coming over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free, and then we've got your onboard computer controls for the middle. Your cruise control is just on the bottom just here. Then as you can see, this car has done 48,833 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Porsche Macan, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.